Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to part 2 of creating a website. If you have not seen part 1, which is shown on the screen now, the information will be at the bottom of this video, and it's recommended that you watch that one first. Okay, let's get started. We're going to go to HostGator's website. Okay, remember they had the web hosting, domains, and also the WordPress included on HostGator's website. And then these are the plan options. Today we're going to go with the hatchling plan. And for this video, we are going to choose for our domain name self space time, and then we'll pick a suffix and ending, the .com, .org. We're going to choose website, so it'll be selfspacetime.website. Okay, it's been added. Okay, be sure that you check this box for the domain privacy protection. These are the details of it here. And then for our package type, I clicked baby in error, but we actually went with the hatchling plan, and it'll automatically fix that. For your username, this is just any name of your choice. Also for the security pin, and for this video, I'll go ahead and click in here 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I'll change that later. Okay, this is where you'll enter your billing information, and then these add-on services, some are free, others you'll have to pay for. You can just uncheck the box if you don't want any of these. And then the coupon code, if you have one, make sure it's validated there. Okay, and before you check out, take a look at the terms of services and everything, and check that box right here. Okay, and then right after this, HostGator will send you an email. From your email, you'll actually click on the link that's included in the email to get to your personal HostGator portal. We'll do that now. Here's our HostGator account, the domain self-space time. Let's go here to account. My name will be here. Okay, now we're gonna log out. We're back at our email, and this is another email from HostGator with some important information. Okay, and we are actually going to click on this link at Control Panel. On this screen, you'll go ahead and enter the username and password that is in the email that we saw before this screen right here. And on your HostGator control panel, you can do a number of things. I would say the most popular one, right here I'm just showing you where you will go to change your password, because the one that we logged in with was one that they automatically generated. But on control panel, you can download software. You can keep track of the analytics of your website. You can do a number of things. Right now we're going to go to quick install under software to download WordPress. once your WordPress is downloaded, you'll receive this email and you can click on that link. And this brings us to the actual WordPress website. Okay, and as you can see my name down here and my password, that is because I've already set up my username and password with WordPress. Okay, so here we have the back end of the website, which is called the dashboard, and it's all inside of WordPress. All right, so this is how our website looks now before we do anything to it. Let's go back to dashboard. You can pick a color scheme there at the top. Right now I'm just entering some of information, and you can do this at any time. I'm going to go ahead and update my profile. Right there it says profile updated. Okay, so now we're at plugins, and plugins actually help to extend the functionality of the software that is in WordPress. And what I'm doing is I am going in to delete the ones that I do not want. You'll have to read through these to see which ones will work for you or which ones you want to delete. And then I just went back to the actual website. And what we're going to do now is delete something that's called permalinks. Permalinks is, I'll show you right here in a second. It's like where you have your website name and then you have numbers and letters, sometimes symbols right here. And this is optional. You can leave it there if you want, but I'll show you how to take it off. Okay, so we're back at dashboard. Let's go down to settings, permalinks. Okay, and we want to be sure that post name is checked and then save our changes. And then we'll go back to the actual site to see the changes. Okay, and see it changed. It just says the website and hello world without the extra stuff behind it. Now we're going to check to be sure that we're using the latest version of WordPress, which we are. It shows it here. Okay, now we're going to actually go to appearance and themes to get into the building of the website. Okay, and under themes, we're going to go with the Astra theme. And Astra is going to be paired with Elementor. And you'll see what that is further in the video. Some of the themes on here, you can use them for free. And then there are some that you'll have to pay for. So you can just browse through, and I'll show you in a few seconds how you can filter it out, and then you can see for yourself the ones that are free versus the ones you'll have to pay for. Okay, so now that you're done with the installing of the website, here it is. It's popped up for you here. Okay, and we are going to go in from this point and make changes to all of this. We'll start out by going into the Customize tab. Okay, we'll go to Layout, Header, and the Identity first. And when you're selecting files, you can choose files that you have saved on your computer, or you can choose from the files that they have generated on WordPress for this theme. As you're going in making changes to the way that you want things to look on your website, be sure to click the blue publish button to submit all final changes. If you do not click that publish button, your changes will not register to the website. Okay, so now we're here at Elementor, and this is where you'll find tools to do edits on the website. We are going to go ahead and change some fonts, the sizing of the fonts. We're going to work with colors, the background pictures, and a few more things. Okay, so right here, while working in Elementor, making your edits and everything, be sure to click the green update button to save all of your changes in Elementor. In the customize section, when we first started, it was the blue publish button, but when you're in Elementor, it's that green update button. So I wanted to go back to our dashboard and view our website so far, that so that you can see how everything has saved. And we're going to go to the About page, and you can change these titles where it says About Services, Projects. You can change those. So we're going to go on the About page and work on that page now. Okay, so now that we're done with the about page, we just want to go in and look to see that all of our changes saved. Okay, so as you can see, all of the changes saved. Now what we want to do is log out of the WordPress or the back end of this website, and then we want to go to Google and do a search for selfspacetime.website. Okay, so this is how it would actually look to anybody visiting your website at this time. Okay, so now we are going to go back to the WordPress and do some more edits on the website. Okay, put in your username, password. Okay, now it's showing that we have updates here, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And each time you log into your WordPress, you want to check for updates. It'll show you everything that needs to be updated on your website. You just select it and then click update and let the system do the updates for you. Okay, and then I would recommend that you check this maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, so now we're back into our website. We want to go back to Elementor, and then we'll go ahead and do some more edits to this website. Okay, so what I did here was I went ahead and changed the background, taking that gray off and making it all black. So I just logged out really quick just to show you that everything changed from the gray to the black. Okay, now let's go ahead and continue to make some edits on the website. Okay, so these titles, caching, edit page, and new, these are all included under edit with Elementor. So that's why we did not click on any of those. We'll get back to edits now. Okay, so right here, I want to show you how you can insert audio to anywhere you choose on your website. Okay, so you'll go ahead and click on that video button, and if you do not see audio, you can always type it in, but here it is right here. You just drag it over, and then you click on the audio file. If it's one that you have already saved to WordPress, you can find it there, or you can upload it from your computer and then add it, and that'll be it. And of course, update. Okay, so you'll notice media, pages, comments, all of these are actually included in the Elementor um, edit tool. That's why we did not go through these separately. And then appearance is where we first started out when we inserted the Astra. Plugins help to extend the functionality of the software in WordPress. Users is where you would um, edit your profile, or if you add someone to be an administrator to the website. And then settings is just how you want the dashboard set up. Okay, so here we're back on the website, and we're going to do a few things here. We want to go to the About page. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how to insert a link button, which is when you click on a button on the website and it opens up another page. And we're going to do a few steps here. This will involve pulling up a Word document, and also it's going to involve opening, it's called Flip HTML5, and that is a software program that we use to make the documents available to be uploaded as a link on the website. Okay, so what I'm doing right now, this is the document that we want to upload to the link so that we can click the link from the website, and we'll insert it here once we get the link. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we will go about getting the actual link to show that Word document, this one right here. Okay, first we're going to save this Word document as a PDF. Right now it's saved as just a regular Word, but we want to save it as PDF because we'll need it to be in PDF format to upload it on the HTML5 software, which is here. And there are several software programs that you can use, just like the HTML5. This one, it's a good one, and there are many more just like it. Just have to do your research and see what works for you. And right now, I'm just going to go around and change the background on here. Okay, so this is how it'll look after you press it on your website with that background. And we'll just put a title here. Okay. All right, so the software program is now generating the link for us, and we have the link here. Okay, we want to copy that, and now we're going to paste this link right here on the website. Okay, let's update that. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and update here. And then we'll go to view the page and check out our link. Okay, so let's click on the title. Okay, and as you can see, it opened the document that we just did in the Flip HTML5 software. Okay, so let's do another edit. We'll probably go in and just change the picture. I'm just giving you examples to show you how if you change your mind about something, you can always go back and make changes to the website. Okay, so now we're going to our website. We have completed all of our edits. Let's check to see how it will look to someone who's visiting our website. Okay, this is our main page. Here's the about page. Okay, and then let's click over here to Self Space Time, and this will bring us back to our main page. All right, well, that completes part 2 of how to create a website. Thank you so much for watching part 2, and part 1 will be listed below this video. It is recommended that you watch part 1 to better understand part 2. Again, thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum.